Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope all of you guys are doing well. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make this 3-ingredient strawberry and kiwi smoothie. This is healthy, delicious, great to start your morning. So in this clip I'm just showing you guys how to wash the fruit. I'm just washing the fruit. It's a quick speed fruit. And yes, you just wash all your fruit. You wash your strawberries and your kiwi. This is only 3 ingredients because it's so much easier and it's so much healthier this way. So I'm only using strawberries, kiwis, and some apple juice. However, you can use any liquid of your choice: water, oat milk, any milk of your choice, any maybe orange juice, anything. So my kiwi is washed. I'm just going to show you guys a quick run through how to cut it. So I just cut the ends and then I split it down the middle lightly, and then you're gonna peel off the skin and dice your kiwi. That's all you do. You can also remove the skin with a peeler or your knife, running through the skin evenly. So be gentle and careful with this process. And then you're just gonna dice your kiwi, and yeah, that's it. You guys have seen me cut strawberries before, and I know you guys know how to cut them, so I'm just doing this vlog, a bit to make it a bit aesthetic, Once you have cut all your fruit, you should have your apple juice, your kiwi, and your strawberries all chopped up and ready to blend. Now you can freeze these, but I didn't want it too cold. It's kind of cold in England, so I just decided to keep them nice and fresh like this. Then I added my apple juice and all my fruits and blended it up. Look how pretty it is. I love all the colors together. Then you're just gonna blend everything to smooth, like any other smoothie. I also list some smoothie recipes down below. I've done a few smoothies, so I'll link them down below, including milkshakes. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this smoothie because it was amazing. It's delicious and simple and really healthy. Perfect way to start your morning. This drink is enough for 2 to 3 people, depending on how much you serve. I was able to serve 2 people with this drink. It's really amazing. You can double, triple this recipe to make the amount you want for everyone. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this. I hope to see you guys in my next video. Have a blessed day. God bless you all, and see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.